Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an awesome technique for removing unwanted objects from your videos using AI, and the best part, it's completely free! Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Chrome browser. Next, head over to runwayml.com. Once you're on the website, click on Try Runway for free to get started. Now, let's explore all the available tools. Click on View All Tools to see the options. Find and click on In Painting to access the tool we need for removing unwanted objects. Upload the video from which you want to remove the unwanted object. Drag the video onto the timeline for editing. Using the brush tool, simply brush over the unwanted object you want to remove. For example, if it's a mobile phone, just paint over it. Once you're done, click on Export to save your edited video. Navigate to Assets and then click on the three dots to access the download option. And voila! You've successfully removed unwanted things from your video using a... If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!